My own struggles with an Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 crashing and freezing led me to discover effective solutions, which I am sharing with you now. First, updating system drivers is crucial. Drivers are essential instructions for your hardware. Outdated ones cause miscommunication, leading to instability. New drivers ensure smooth component interaction. Second, optimize power settings. Your laptop requires steady power for demanding tasks. Insufficient power causes freezes. High-performance settings guarantee your Acer Predator gets the energy needed, preventing unexpected shutdowns. Third, check core system files. Windows files can corrupt, causing direct errors. Running integrity checks repairs these, a vital way to fix Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 crash and freeze issues, restoring system health. Lastly, manage background processes. Excessive apps running silently consume resources, overloading your computer's memory and processor. This resource drain results in freezing. Limiting these tasks frees power, letting your laptop perform without interruption.